Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone 8, 8 Plus back camera not working. Lot of iPhone user facing this kind of error on their iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. So in this video, I will show you how to fix that issue. First of all, make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone 8, 8 Plus camera. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone 8, 8 Plus camera, then contact the nearest Apple store. They will fix your issue. Okay, now move to the some bugs issue. First of all, you need to turn on your iPhone torch and then turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds and then try to open your iPhone camera. It will 100% fix. Okay, so if that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings and check your iPhone 8, 8 Plus software update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update it to the latest iOS update that available on your iPhone. To check that, open iPhone settings, then move to the general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on software update. Okay, and wait for a few seconds. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have pending iOS update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS. After that, you can easily fix that your iPhone camera not working. Okay, if that method is also not working and you're still facing the camera issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution, again, tap on iPhone settings, tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general, you need to scroll down, tap on VPN and device management. Okay, make sure you are not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with any VPN, just remove the VPN and it will fix your camera issue. Okay, if that method is also not working, then go back and scroll down below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, tap on reset and reset network setting and apply it in your iPhone. So friends, by do 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily fix that your iPhone back camera not working due to some bug. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.